Stop hunting for parking! Download ParkSpacely and find your perfect spot in 3 simple steps. First, create your account. Sign up instantly with Google or your email. Once verified, you're ready to go. Next, search by your location to see what's available nearby. You can easily filter by your vehicle type, whether you're in a car, a motorhome, or a truck. Browse the list to compare prices and locations. When you find the perfect spot, tap it to view full details. Then, select your booking type. Choose hourly, a specific date range, or even recurring slots. Adjust the time and duration to fit your exact schedule. Review your order summary, add a message for your host if needed, and tap Book Now to secure your spot. Choose your preferred payment method and input all the relevant details to make your payment. And confirm your booking. And you're all set! Park your way with ParkSpacely.